coming in. Jeevan Singha, chairman of West Bengal terrorist organization Kamtapura Liberation Organization, or KLO as it's known, has been arrested from near the Indo-Bangladesh border. Singha is believed to have stolen Rabindranath Tagore's Nobel Prize in 2004 from the Nobel laureate Shanti Niketan home in West Bengal. According to the police, he was also involved in numerous anti-state activities, especially in North Bengal. His organization, the KLO, demanding a separate state out of West Bengal, has been there for a while. Singha has been hiding in Bangladesh, according to the details that we are getting, for the last 4 to 5 years, and is suspected to have formed an alliance with the ULFA and also allegedly with the ISI. He was arrested by the Bangladeshi intelligence after repeated requests by the West Bengal CID to arrest and deport Singha. On the phone line, Shambit Paul now joins us. Shambit, what details do you have on this man?
See, Jeevan Singh was most wanted by the Bengal police, and he is one of the main suspects in the Tagore's Nobel theft case as well. He has been reportedly arrested by the Bangladesh Intelligence Bureau there in Bangladesh, in Shapahari police station. That is what you're getting to know, and that's near Indo-Bangla border in the northern Bengal. Now, Jeevan Singh was wanted by the Bengal CID for a lot of anti-state activities as well. He had founded the terror organization Kamtapur Liberation Organization, which had demanded a separate state out of West Bengal. So he has been accused in numerous cases in Bengal, and now he was hiding in Bangladesh, and now it has been reported that he has been